Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a musical instrument. Different styles of music such as classical and contemporary music are often played on this instrument. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Xylophone. Xylophone. Xy. Low. Phone. Xylophone. The xylophone is most likely to be played by percussionists. It is crucial in the context of orchestras and bands, helping musicians to create bright, melodic tones that enhance various musical compositions. If you enjoyed learning about the xylophone, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.